Alright guys, welcome to my Corel tutorial series. My name is Chibike Mokafo, and today we'll be talking about the crop tool, the knife tool, and the segment delete tool together with the erase tool. So let's jump right into CorelDRAW. So this is our CorelDRAW window, and we'll be discussing about the crop tool, the tool group. In this group we can see the crop tool, talk about the knife tool, the virtual segment delete tool. So for us to properly understand this, let's just pick some images from my desktop. I'm going to pick this house and my picture. Let me copy and back to CorelDRAW. So I have these two images. All right. So now let's understand the crop tool. For you to use the crop tool, you have to select the object or image with which you want to apply the crop tool on. So for the crop tool, I'm going to use this house image, this house here, the home you can see. So I will click that and I'll select the crop tool. So I'm going to drag across the area I wish to crop. I will click, so I can as well adjust it closer, assuming I want to crop this image. This is just similar to what you have in maybe some of your mobile application. Once you are done with the cropping, if this is what you want, assuming I want just need the lower part of this building, I can then say crop. So I'm now left with just the lower part of this building, so I can now drop the tool. So this is how the crop tool work. See, we now have just the lower part of the building. Next there is the knife tool. So I will use this my picture here to explain the knife tool and some concept you can achieve with it when doing your design. Perhaps you must have seen such design. So to use the knife tool as well, you click on the image you want to apply the knife tool on. I'm going to click the knife tool. Remember, I have to select the image I want to apply it on. I'll now select the knife tool. With the knife tool selected, I will click, hold, and drag down to where I wish to cut, and I'll release. Now you may not see the effect, but for you to see the effect, I will drop this and double click on that part I just cut. Click outside and click once. Now you can see that that part has been separated. You can use your arrow key to move that part out. So you must have seen such this kind of design in maybe some of the design we see around. Let me use this knife to do what I mean. I'll click, I'll hold and drag, I'll cut, I'll click again, hold and drag to cut to the point where you see the intersection, you release, you click, drag down to when you see intersection, you release, you click again, you hold and drag to where you see the intersection, then you release your mouse. So with this now we can click on the individual uh, parts we have cut. I believe you must have seen this kind of design before. Depending on what you want. And you can select everything again and group. You press Ctrl G to group, so you can move all these images together. But basically what the knife tool is used for is to cut an image. I can apply the same thing here. I'll click, hold and drag, sorry about that. I'll select, click the knife tool. When you see the edge written, you click, hold and drag down until it writes intersection. I'll release my mouse, click outside and click on the area you just cut. Now use the knife tool now to divide. You can also apply it on maybe an image just like this. Once the image is selected, I can use the knife tool. You point your mouse, you will see the edge written on your cursor. You click, hold and drag until you see intersection written, then you release. Click outside, then click the other part that I just cut. Now I can click down to see what I just did. That is for the knife tool. We can as well see the next one, segment virtual delete tool. Virtual segment delete tool. This is used for this can be better explained doing it practically. Assuming I have this and I have this drawn like this, drawn across, and I also have this. It just depends on the concept of your design, what you really want to achieve. And with this, you can just delete some part of these lines. Let me click the virtual segment delete. Now, whichever part of the line you click, it goes off. I'll click this part. You see that goes off. I'll click this part again. It goes off. Just notice that once you point your cursor and the icon there stands um, vertical, you click and it will go out. So this tool is such a wonderful tool to use depending on the kind of design you need or when you are drawing. See what it's doing, you click to remove. I can also remove these straight lines. So you can see the design this is giving you. At the end, you can just group everything together. Select everything and click Ctrl G, and you would arrive at this image. I just did that to color. So this is how you use the virtual segment delete tool. So the last one there is just the eraser tool, like the name sound is used to erase. So I can click, then I can as well if I need a rectangle shape for the erasing, let me increase this to 20 millimeter and hit enter. With this, I can use this rectangle tool now to this erase tool to erase part of this image. You see, basically it does what the name implies, to erase. I can apply the same thing here to erase some part of this. The same thing with the image, I can erase some part of the image. This all depends on the concept of your design. You can choose the rectangle shape of erase, and you can just click once and click on erase. You use this as well to increase the size of the shape you want to erase. Like you can say 50, and this will be very big. So I can just erase this part of what I want to do. So we'll come to an end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified when I upload a new video on CorelDRAW. Thank you for watching.